Now it's time for you to monitor the impact of your posts and content from all your social network profiles. Head to Analytics on the left side of your screen. As you can see, this is the overview of your posts, followers, and engagement of each platform. In this case, this is the overview of your Instagram account. This graph indicates the number of posts you've made this week. It simply shows that there's 3 posts uploaded on the 20th of September. The next graph shows how many followers you've gained. You can easily see what kind of content you uploaded attracts more followers. With it, you can choose the right content to post the next time. The engagement graph shows the number of likes you gain every day. In this case, 5 likes were gained on the day the 3 posts were uploaded. Next is the inbound messages by sentiment graph. It simply means the number of comments or messages you received throughout the week. Finally, it's the engagement for published posts. It shows the breakdown of each post that received likes and comments. That's how you monitor all the content you posted. The information provided will help in ensuring better content engagement the next time you want to post something. So in the final module, I'll be showing you how to stream all your activities and contents in each social platform you've connected with Hootsuite.